Hello everyone, so welcome to this lesson where we would be launching our project in VS Code. So I renamed my project to Digestive System. So if you click inside, you would see we have the various um, assets for our project. Okay, so all I have to do is to right click and then I have to go show more and then open with VS Code. Okay, so once it's open with VS Code, I can get things working. Just close these things. Okay, so there's a code. Basically, there's a code, and you can see we have our model here, the Jesse system GLB, and the poster image. Auto rotates. Remember, we selected the auto rotates. So let's try previewing it. So when I click on go live, let's see. Okay, so you can see now we have our project here. Okay, so let's go back and see what we can do. Okay, so you can see the various data points. So our annotations, we can see the esophagus. I'm not certain of the spelling. You can see the stomach and then the small intestine, and then the values showing their positions and the likes. Okay, so here we actually have our USDZ. Where is it? It should be. It's not supported. Okay, there's it. So all I have to do is to go to our index. We need to reference it. So just so our project is able to be viewed in various platforms. Uh, so SRC, that's our GLB file. So I'm going to click here, click on the drop down. Then here, I can press enter. Sorry, system. Come in, let me undo. So here, SRC. Then I'm going to type iOS hyphen SRC equals. Then I can just put the quotes. So let me just copy this. Paste it here. Remember, it's a .usdz, so usdz file. Okay. Okay, so basically that should be it for this part. Okay, so I can just click here, just so everything is looking okay. Okay, so we have our reference for the GLB and then the .usdz for Android and iOS. Okay. So our AR mode. Okay, so you can see WebXR. If WebXR isn't supported, it will switch to SceneViewer. If it's not supported, it will switch to Quick Look. Okay. So um, basically that should be it for this part. Okay, so for that effect, we can see the effect of the USDs unless we have an iOS device. Okay, but I think today, before I recorded this, I think someone said he only referenced the GLB without the .usdz and it worked fine. So I don't know if there's an update for it. Maybe Google is doing the translation or conversion, whatever. If that is it, so then that's okay. So here, let me just put an alt text, alt, let's see. Okay. So basically, this is the code. This actually is a text for your user. That's a button that the user will click to launch the AR environment. So let's see. That's in one of the projects here. So which is this one? This button. Okay. So basically, that's it for this part. Using VS Code. And, yeah. Thank you.